welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi Michelle, and in today's video I am going to be doing another nail inspiration video, y'all. So I already have my nail inspiration on pack. Like, I already know what I'm going to do. So for this set, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go with like a nudish pink. And you guys can see it's the Chisel brand. I hope I said that right, but if I didn't, y'all understand what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah, so we're going to go in with that, and then I'm going to do different shades of pink, and then I'm going to add a little bit of silver to it. So continue to watch this video to see the outcome. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead, let's get into this video, period. Y'all, here is my different shades of colors, baby. These are my colors. These are my girls. Y'all, I got this off of Amazon. I'm gonna leave this set right here down in the description box below. But yes, y'all, so I'm going with a light pink, a dark pink, and a medium soft pink with a dash of silver. I'm gonna make sure I leave the picture right up on the screen so y'all can actually see the look that I'm going for. Y'all, I pray that this came out cute, but I'm gonna let y'all be the judge of that. Right here I did mess up, y'all. Like, oh my god, I fucked up big time. But you know what, I ain't even gonna stress it. I'm gonna find a way to try to finesse it And you know, it might look a little better once I start adding the other colors onto there. Now I am gonna put a disclaimer. Yeah, it says gel on here, but the polish actually drip a lot as if it's regular polish. But it's most definitely good for beginners, for somebody that's learning nail art. This is really, really good, y'all. Like, you know, don't down talk me now. I'm putting y'all on to something new. But I'm gonna still leave the description, the information in the description down below. So yeah, I got y'all. I'm looking out for y'all girls. Okay, y'all, so this is basically the ending of the video, y'all. I most definitely will have to rate my nails out of 10. I will most definitely rate it a 5, only because, y'all, my inspo pick was looking so easy. Your girl thought I could do it, but obviously I can't. It really came out to this, which I really don't like. But y'all, I'm practicing. I'm a beginner nail tech, like I'm learning, so I'm not really sad about it, but this is like the reality of it for real. So this how it came out. So I hope you guys like, comment if you guys are new to my channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also comment down below what nails y'all want to see me do next. Also comment how I did on this nail set, because this nail set is I don't too much like it. But like I say, I'm going to be bringing y'all on my journey with me as a upcoming nail tech, so y'all have to see all the flaws and all. So yeah, y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.